thank you for your talk, which was elegant and humorous. Are there other matters which you've not mentioned, and specifically the Egyptian army officers own, 40% of the industry in Egypt, and they are totally dependent on American money, which is second only to that given to Israel. You had Netanyahu beseeching the Americans not to stop the financial support of the generals. Was the economic situation and the failure of administration reducing the population to failure of overseas investment, causing unemployment and all the problems of no money?
Come on, we've got to stop there.
Okay. Are these other factors, therefore, as significant? And why didn't you have an election to throw them out?
So, President Morsi?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a great question. You know, we were in debate with John Kerry, the State Minister, Secretary, the Foreign Minister of the United States or whatever, and he was telling us the same thing. Okay, people, the president, if he came through the election, you could throw him or let us say get rid of him through election also. But you know, this is maybe under the academic, I would say, definition of democracy. But with a regime like Mohamed Morsi and the Brotherhood, you cannot tolerate them for another 3 years. This would mean that you will have a new Egypt, a different Egypt. And if you will tolerate him for this next 3 years, it means that they will govern this country for another 500 years. And this is, of course, unacceptable at all. That's why the Egyptian people went to the streets and they get rid of him by a new mechanism, a new definition for democracy, that if I can give you the power, I can also deprive you from this power as people. This is what the Americans didn't understand so far. Till now, they were telling us, no, you should go to the election after 3 years and then vote against him and get rid of him. And this is, of course, our saying to them at the time during Morsi's regime. We never accept this argument at all. We told them that we will get rid of him on the 30th of June, and they never believe us that we will do that. For the military, yes, they are getting their support, or let us say military aid from the United States, and the economic aid is not significant at all, just $215 million, and we can live without it, and it will not create any problem for us. But yes, the military, they are depending on the military aid coming from the United States, $1,200 million, and despite all this, the military, they never, consult with the American administration that they will interfere in order to get rid of Mubarak or to interfere to get rid of Morsi. So they never influenced us. I mean, or let us say the American aid never pressured Egypt or prevented the army from supporting the hopes and the aspiration of the Egyptian people.